Welcome to MUMZO Munchies, where we try to find the fun in palate development and food introduction in general. Now today, we're trying a leg of lamb, which is going to be joined by some Hasselback potatoes. So I've already prepared my leg overnight, but the process is so simple. All you're really going to do is take your protein and gently stab a few holes. I'm going to show a few more. Use a paring knife rather, because it's kind of going to go right through the meat. And one over there. And you're going to shove in some garlic. I've already loaded this with garlic, so I'm not going to add any more of that. And you're going to fill that with your garlic and rosemary, which is our main herb seasoning. I had rubbed the actual meat itself with salt and pepper. Really, really basic, just letting the meat do its thing. And once we've filled our little holes with our rosemary and garlic, I then rubbed, there's a nice gap, rubbed some basil pesto all over it, and that's really it. So, into the pan we go. And this is going to go into a preheated oven. On a regular heat, you can go at about 180, 200 for about an hour and a half, covered in foil. Once the roast has been in the oven for about an hour and a half or two, it's almost ready to be joined by the baby Hasselback potatoes. Now those are super easy to prepare. I've already chopped up most of them. All you're going to do, much like a regular Hasselback potato, so you're going to slice through, not reaching the actual bottom, otherwise you're going to just have slices of potato. And we're not making a dauphinoise. So, slice through to almost the bottom. And then what we're going to do with these is dust them with some salt and pepper. And that's it, because they're going to be sitting in that lime juice for a few minutes before then going uncovered and roasting with the lamb. So we're just going to throw our Hasselbacks around, let them get all of those juices.